In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate sum in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. With the file open, head to the Tools area and choose Prepare Form. This mode is designed specifically for building interactive forms. Acrobat will automatically scan the document and try to recognize any existing form fields. If it finds them, you'll see them outlined right away. If it doesn't, that's okay. You can add exactly what you need. Create the text fields where people will enter their numbers. Place each field where it makes sense on the page, and give everyone a unique, simple name, such as Field 1 and Field 2. Unique names are important because Acrobat uses those names to identify which fields to include in your calculation. Clear, consistent naming will make the next steps faster and help you avoid mistakes later on. While you're still in Prepare Form, add one more text field where you want the total to appear. You can label it Total so it's easy to recognize. Position it in a spot that's obvious to users, like at the end of a section or under a list of amounts. Now, right-click the Total field and choose Properties. This opens the settings for that specific field. Go to the Calculate tab. This tab controls how Acrobat will compute the value for the total field based on other fields in your form. For a quick and reliable setup, use the built-in Sum option. Choose Value is then select Sum Plus from the drop-down. This tells Acrobat you want the total field to add up values from other fields in the document. Click the Pick button, and a list of available fields will appear. Select the fields you created earlier, like Field 1 and Field 2. Confirm your choices by clicking OK. That's all you need to do for the calculation. Once you close the Properties window, the total field will automatically add up the numbers entered into the selected fields. If you notice the wrong fields were included, just return to Properties, go back to the Calculate tab, and adjust your selection. At this point, your PDF form is ready to perform a clean, automatic sum. As users type numbers into the fields you chose, the total updates instantly, making your PDF both interactive and accurate without any manual math.